Hey friends, if you wish to fix mscoree.dll error not found on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and go to its page. Or I will just share the link to this page in the description section of the video. Directly go to this page, scroll down and click on the x64 version. Click on open. Okay, and then click on repair. Now, when you click on repair, it will start installing all the DLL files which may or may not be present on the system. But if you don't have this, then you can select the option to install it. Other than this, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.